1963 Cessna Powermatic P172 for sale in Rapid City, South Dakota. 57702 Powermatic P172D N8585X, South Dakota and MINN in all at 5. Third from the last in Cessna's run. McCauley 2831C21 constant speed prop, 329 SMOH, GO 31055 SMOH, 2150 TTAF. Annual Progressive 10 to 2016, ELT 2017, rocker cover gaskets and cowl mounts new, Peterson STC, prop Chadwick balanced, bracket air filter, tires recent. EWT 1517, useful 983, KX 175, KN 75, KT 76C, SPA 400, Garmin 296, DG and AHOVH is replaced. Slick mags, 867 hours overhauled to O-time specs, Cleveland wheels and brakes, fairings, photo shows Garmin missing, loaded. Great performer at Mountain Airport 5605 MSL. Please call 855-978-6455 or 402-316-7250 FOR more information.